guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have the newest router from ASUS, the AX53u. And I would like to say thanks to our friends at ASUS Philippines for giving us an opportunity to be one of the first reviewer of this powerful router. Yes, you heard it right, it is a powerful router. But for now, let us try to check what are the things that are included in the box. We have the unit itself, a LAN cable, a power brick with two available plugs, which is Type-C and Type-G for different regions. Okay, this is an AX1800 dual band 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi frequency, supports MU-MIMO OFDMA technology, quad-core processor, 128 MB of flash, and 256 MB of RAM, USB 3.0, gigabit WAN port, and 3 gigabit LAN port. And this supports dual WAN connections. And now for the configuration, we will not be doing a normal or traditional configuration that we usually do by using a LAN cable connected to our modem router, but instead we will be using a packet Wi-Fi to configure as our main source of internet. And you will be asking why? Because you can actually just place the packet Wi-Fi anywhere in the house. Yes, it might be true, but this is not just the main reason that we are adding a Wi-Fi router. Okay, one is performance, meaning if you have multiple devices connected at the same time, that data traffic might be hard to handle by your packet Wi-Fi or your modem router. And there might be lags, delays, or even drop connections. And in addition, do you really want everyone staying in the same room accessing the internet? It would be hard, especially if one is too loud watching Netflix or other streaming videos while the other one is attending online office meeting and the other one is attending online school, and so on and so forth. It will be chaotic. And now let us go with the configuration. Okay, and for the configuration, just power it on, plug it in on your wall outlet, and wait for the SSID to come out. So for this one, we have here, it's the ASUS _68. Hit connect. Then it's connected, but let's try to check if we have internet connection. As of now, we don't have internet connection. Request timeout, and we're going to try to access the web management console of this router, which is 192.168.50.1, or also known as the http://router.asus.com. Okay, and as you can see, you'll be able to access the management console. And welcome to the ASUS networking family. Just plug in your USB packet Wi-Fi. Okay, then wait for the blinking light on your router to turn on the USB logo. And after that one, just click automatic settings or automatic setting and type in the new password for your admin login. So for us, let's just try to type admin1234 just to make sure so we can access it later. Okay, then hit next. Then no thanks, then next. Then for the network SSID name, we can just put an underscore so we can see there will be two Wi-Fi SSID for 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi frequency. So underscore here, and for the other one, it's 5G. For the password, let's just try to type 98765432210. It will be the same with the 5G Wi-Fi frequency. Then hit apply. Then we suggest to try a mix of letters, numbers. Okay, just for the sake of testing, just press OK. Okay, and it is currently applying. Okay, then these are the information that we have entered earlier, and hit complete, and the router will reconfigure and you'll be disconnected to ASUS _68. Okay, and let's just wait for this one to disconnect. We still don't have internet access yet. Okay, and we are now disconnected. Let's just wait for it for a couple of minutes. Okay guys, and I believe we already have our ASUS _68 underscore. Let's try to connect to this one and hit connect. And the password we have set earlier is 98765432210. Okay, and hit next. And we will be connected to the internet. As soon as we have already configured the USB connection earlier, it is already able to connect to the internet. So let's try to check AX53u. Yes, we already have internet connection for our router. And if you want to use this router with your regular modem router by using a LAN cable, it will be the same configuration steps but just different connection type. And of course, the actual range test. Can it penetrate the wall or even concrete flooring? On this test, we will be just using our roof deck as reference because in our early router reviews, the roof deck is actually the hardest part to reach when the Wi-Fi router is located here in the second floor. So basically, if we can access the internet on the roof deck, we can access the internet on the second floor or even on the ground floor. And of course, enough talking. Let us see the result of the test. Okay, for the baseline testing, sitting beside the router and the packet Wi-Fi, the speed test is actually better on the AX53u. And on the roof deck, we barely connected to the packet Wi-Fi and the speed is really horrible and you can even connect to a web page with that bandwidth. But for the AX53u, we got the result of the speed test and we were able to access the internet on the roof deck without any issue. And if you can remember, I mentioned earlier, powerful router. For me, a powerful router is where you can achieve a good range and stable network or internet connection. And of course, stable connection means low latency, especially on games. Okay, here is what we did this time. We connect our converged modem router to this AX53u. Then place the router on the gate of our house. Then we move around 40 meters away from the router and play Mobile Legends. And we got single-digit latency on Mobile Legends. And if I can play Mobile Legends with the single-digit on that range, I can browse the internet or even stream videos on Netflix or YouTube without any issue. It is a stable connection. And guys, we have this unit for a couple of weeks already and we have been using it daily to test so we can give you a good feedback on how actually it performs. Rather than just unboxing it on a day and test, there might be different result if we are using it for a longer period of time. And in addition, this router is powered on 24/7 just to test their durability and reliability. And I'm proud to say that this router didn't disappoint. I never encountered any drop connection or internet connectivity issue and gaming was a breeze. And my rating for this router is actually 5 stars. It may not have all the features of a high-end routers, the top or the ROG, or even the AI mesh capability. But for 4,390 pesos SRP on ASUS Wi-Fi 6 router, this is a good deal. And I don't need to convince you that this is a 5-star router just by seeing the performance on Mobile Legends. 40 meters away, single-digit latency, stable Wi-Fi connection, Wi-Fi 6. What else do you need? It's a good router. And guys, I think that will be all. And this will be one of my favorite router, I think. And if you like the video, hit that like button. And if you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button as well so we can create more content regarding technology, routers, or other technology-related items. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Stay safe and bye.